Did you know that a caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly? It starts out as little tiny eggs. Then the caterpillar is born and crawls along and eats and eats and eats, and it spins itself into a pupa. And then it becomes a beautiful butterfly. Here we go. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar in the garden creeps. He spins himself a blanket and soon falls fast asleep. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar wakes up by and find he has the wings of a beautiful butterfly. I have one last song I really want to sing with you, and I hope you'll join me. Put your hands up. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your smiling mouth, but do not let them in. See you soon!